Alright, so by the end of today, we will have about 400 miles left until the end. I feel like I'm starting to lose my mind a little bit. I think Gasket is too. Sometimes the beauty in these long distance hikes is the struggle. That the struggle of the physicality of the length of the time is something really beautiful and something that I appreciate greatly. You know, I choose to do it this way and I very much enjoy it. But yesterday we sat down for like a brief little break around noon and I looked at Gasket and I knew I looked the exact same, but he looked like he had just been in a war. Recently we have a trio. Or rather, we are a trio. It's not just me and Gasket now. We have Mooch. She decided to join up with us for potentially all of Washington. And it's funny kind of like seeing her like laughing and cracking jokes and playing games. So Mooch has been a very welcome addition and it's been very fun. We are closing in on the end, man. I'm already thinking about stuff that I want to do after the trail. I love being out here, but you know, even if you love running in a marathon, I think you also love crossing that finish line. So now we are 3. We have gained Mooch, a young hiker from the San Francisco area, an unbelievable hiker to spend one day with Gasket, to decide, hey, this is fun, doing a 50-mile day, and to decide to hike the entire rest of the trail together. While me and Gasket, often days, can look like death, Mooch is just endless bounds of energy. Always smiling, always laughing. It is truly the best recipe for a successful hike. To never take things too seriously and to always have fun, no matter the situation. I think it's a good reminder for both me and Gasket to just watch her from day to day. Upon hiking with us for a few days, Gasket talking about his yo-yo attempt, and that once he reaches Canada, he's gonna turn around and hike all the way back south. Mooch at some point decides that, hey, that sounds fun too, and I think I'm gonna do that as well. Where this is her first thru hike ever, do something cool, Mooch. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at her go. Oh, she's gone. Now Rainier. It's ridiculous. It's the only 14er in Washington, yeah? Wow. Decides that she's going to attempt something that only 5 or 6 other people have ever done before. To hike the Pacific Crest Trail twice in one season. Once Gasket and her reach the Canadian border, they will both turn around and walk all the way back to Mexico where they started. It is a ridiculous thing, but also the most amazing thing. They're both very strong hikers, and I know they have it in them. With Gasket's experience and Mooch's energy, I know that they will be successful if they really want to be. It's been really fun to be in a trail family for just about the first time ever. I'm glad it's these two, and I feel like I can learn a lot from both of them. Go Rocks Wilderness and some true ridge walking. It's incredible. Sometimes I wonder, once Mooch is complete with this, what she will do next. Because, as I mentioned, this is her first thru hike. And if she's doing stuff like this on her first, it is almost unimaginable what she is truly capable of as she continues hiking into the future.
Somewhere over there.
Yeah, we were just over here not long ago. Washington started out kind of slow, much like Southern Oregon did as well, at least in regards to beauty and scenery. Though we all knew the best was yet to come.
The Winter Wonderland.
Probably the most famous view, the most famous spot on the Pacific Crest Trail is the Goat Rocks Wilderness, with views of Mount Rainier off in the distance, hiking along a knife's edge of a trail, a true ridge line for many, many miles. It is understandable why it is so famous. And then to follow it up immediately with Mount Rainier National Park, Washington truly is cementing itself as one of the most beautiful, if not the most beautiful parts of this entire trail. Every day out here feels like magic.
Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. It's just like flowing. It's like water.
Oh my God. You could see that one patch over there. It looks like it was cotton candy.
Yeah. This is a professional, boys and girls. Oh yeah! Yeah! No, I was sick.
At this point in our hike, we have just about 10 days left to go. After more than 2 months on trail, averaging just about an ultra marathon every single day, we are down to our final week of hiking. It is a bittersweet feeling to have been dreaming about this for so long and to finally be getting there. I think all three of us have a bit of summit fever, because even though we are hiking through the hardest section of the entire trail physically, we are still doing 40s every day. It's hard to slow down, when we know the end is so close. The northernmost parts of this state are the most remote sections of this entire hike. The final week on trail, I don't even think I'm gonna have cell service once. And beyond that, there are still reports of incredible amounts of snow to have to cross and deal with. I look forward to the challenge, but I think I'm almost ready to take a break.